The most popular sentences that you might hear from the BL series. The first one is มึงเป็นเหี้ยอะไรวะ so มึง is you and เป็น is to be or is an are. Here we use this word when we feel annoyed and actually this word is rude, so bear in mind not to use that so often. อะไร so the word อะไร is from อะไร which means what. มึงเป็นเหี้ยอะไรวะ and วะ we put it at the end of the sentence to make it informal and it's a little bit impolite as well. Altogether มึงเป็นเหี้ยอะไรวะ means what's fucking wrong with you. The next one มึงเป็นของกูคนเดียว so มึง is you. เป็นของ means to be mine and กู is I. คนเดียว is the only one. มึงเป็นของกูคนเดียว means you are mine and just for me, just only me, no one else. The next one เป็นแฟนกันนะ so เป็น is to be and fan is a partner or a boyfriend or a girlfriend. We use the word กันนะ at the end of the sentence to ask someone to do something with you. When you say เป็นแฟนกันนะ it means that let's be in a relationship. Or if I say เป็นเพื่อนกันนะ so let's be friends. Or if I say ไปกินกันนะ so let's eat together. The next one, I hear. When you hear this word, there would be some emotion with it. Like you might hear, I hear. So we use it when we feel really annoyed about something. There will be so many times that you would feel like, oh, this is too much. I don't want to bear it any longer. So you can say, I hear, I'm enough with it, kind of. The next one, กูรักมึงนะ so รัก is to love and actually I think all of you already know these words. I might not need to explain it, but yeah, กู is I, รัก is to love, มึง is you, so I love you. The next one, กูหึงมึง so กู is I and หึง is to feel jealous and มึง is you, so yeah, obviously I am jealous. The next one, กูจูบมึงได้ป่ะ so จูบ is to kiss and ได้ป่ะ we use this word to put at the end of a sentence to ask for a permission. There are ways that we say it ได้เปล่า ได้หรือเปล่า or ได้ป่ะ. So ได้ป่ะ is shortened from ได้เปล่า ได้เปล่า is shortened from ได้หรือเปล่า. So all these three have the same meaning, which is can I. So กูจูบมึงได้ป่ะ can I kiss you? The next one, กูชอบมึง ชอบ is to like, so I like you. However, if you say กูชอบมึงนะ you say นะ at the end of the sentence, it is something like you would like that person to know that you like him or her. So ผมชอบคุณนะฉันชอบคุณนะกูชอบมึงนะ it's something like oh I would like you to know. If you say กูชอบมึงว่ะ and the word ว่ะ is impolite and informal, so be careful to use this word only with your close friends but not with your family members or someone who is older than you. When you say กูชอบมึงว่ะ it has a sense like this is what I feel it and I wanna say it, something like that. The next one, ห้ามยุ่งกับคนของกู ห้าม means don't or you prohibit someone to do something and then คนของกู so คน is human คนของกู is my people or that person is mine. ห้ามยุ่งกับคนของกู means stay away from that person because that person is mine. The last one, ก็รู้สึกไปแล้วรู้สึก means to feel or a feeling ไป แล้ว means that already happened. So when you use the word or you hear ไปแล้ว at the end of a sentence, it means that that situation or something happened already. ก็รู้สึกไปแล้ว it means that you already have feelings towards someone and somehow you couldn't take it back because you already felt it, which actually means you already like someone, but you just don't say I like you or I love you. But when you say you have feelings towards someone, yeah, you have feelings towards someone. You like someone or you love someone. I hope you enjoyed our video and try to practice our sentence so many times, but be careful because a lot and almost of the sentences from Be Out series are pretty impolite and informal, so just use them among close friends. I hope you enjoy our video and have learned a lot with us. See you in the next video. Bye!
Everyone's lining up to see her.